is the COOCHIE, which is built on COOCHIE Mudlet Island in the Bay Islands, just off Brisbane. Still under construction. On this one we use the James Hardy Heritage Prime line. It's a great product with a little receiver channel built in, it's pre-primed. Easy to install as well. Got nice big stacking sliding doors. Big cathedral rake ceilings. The timber beam up the top is just for cosmetics, it's not a structural element. I'll take you for a quick look through. This is the master bedroom. Walk through road into the ensuite, which has got a two-way door. Over this side, we've got two bedrooms. Got little awning windows on the inside, and a stacking sliding door by Palmy door at the front.